Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a water snake. If you want, you can make it into like a gourd that you like. So if you want to make it, please follow me and go make our water snake. Inside we're going to do the water snake. So we will need a blue piece of paper and draw like a triangle. Open the triangle and fold to side to the triangle. Do the same thing on the other side. Voila! There. And then I'm gonna do the same thing again. Same. Okay. Did it, and we're gonna easy this part. Fold it in the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. Flip it over and usually try to push these two up. Okay. Result should be like this, and then we're gonna make the snake's head. Then we're gonna do the same thing and and then just keep on doing the same, and then we'll make the snake. And if you want to, you can draw the eyes. There, the snake. So we're done these two. And okay, I hope you guys liked this video, and please subscribe, and I hope you guys follow my steps, and be sure to smash that subscribe and like button, and please give this video to your family and friends so that they can learn how to fold anything that I teach you guys. So you can search more videos like flower videos, Earth Day videos, animal videos, peacock videos, and the winged dinosaur video. Bye guys!